The new Yaris Cross delivers stronger and more rewarding performance from its hybrid electric powertrain, safer and easier driving with the latest Toyota Team8 safety and driver assistance systems, a fully digital user experience. Addition of new, more powerful hybrid 130 electrified powertrain, featured in all high-grade Yaris Cross models including GR Sport and new Premier Edition. The established 1.5-liter full hybrid electric system has been equipped with a new transaxle that features a larger and more powerful electric motor generator, MG1. The result is faster acceleration, with the 0 to 100 km/h time reduced by half a second to 10.7 seconds and the 80 to 120 km/h overtaking benchmark brought down by 0.4 seconds to 8.9 seconds. Where CO2 emissions are concerned, the impact is modest with the new system achieving a best-in-class 103 to 122 g/km.